Andy, is this good news po na in-extend for the last time daw, for the nth time, actually 8 times na daw to in-extend. But is this a good pronouncement of the President na huli na daw talaga itong April 30 deadline? What's your reaction po?
The reaction is good news po to para dun sa mga nag-iisip pa or hindi umabot because it means na madadagdagan po yung mga mag-consolidate, makapasok po tayo ng hundreds or thousands, that's good news. Regarding naman sa program, tuloy-tuloy pa po yung program. Wala pong pigil sa programa. It's just that nag-accommodate po yung ating Pangulo through the recommendation po of Secretary Bautista po. Yan po yung epekto nitong decision ng ating Pangulo.
Oo, Sir Andy, susundutan ko lang yon. Any particular why 3 months po? Why not 6 months? Why not 1 month? Why not 2 months? Bakit 3 months po ang naisip po ni Secretary Bautista?
Yeah. Unang-una po, the process of applying to be a cooperative or a corporation and then eventually mag-consolidate ka with the LTFRB, with the franchises that you have, 3 months is a normal time po yun. Normal time po yun, a little more than enough pa po yun. Regarding the decision, kasi sa totoo lang po, naka-decide na po naman lahat na ng operators Nasa mind na talaga nila yan. Siguro a little push na lang para for them to go for it or talagang not go for it. So 3 months is really more than enough time po. Para ma-accommodate po yung talagang gusto Yung talagang gusto lang po.
Okay.
Sir, having said that, hypothetically, kung hindi in-extend ng 3 months itong ating jeepney consolidation program na ito, ano ho kaya ang senaryo natin na nakikita kung hindi natin ipinagpatuloy itong extension na ito? Meron naman tayong sinasabi nyo nga po, meron na tayong 75%, tama po ba?
76 po. Meron na po
76.
tayong 76 as of December 31.
Go ahead, sir.
Kung hindi po ito na-extend, we are above our target na numbers po. 76% is more than enough for the program to push through. So wala pong pagbabago talaga to in terms of the program's direction in the program's time frame. It is really more of the concern of Secretary Bautista and then raising it to the President and then the concern coming from the President na kung meron pa talaga, bigyan natin sila ng oras para humabol. Kasi ma'am, yung mga groups na nag-o-oppose, I do believe po, talagang hindi naman po sasama sila. Yung mga nag-o-oppose po, because yung reasons nila ay talagang, it's something that they will not go into a compromise.
Okay.
Ang habol po natin dito, yung mga supporters, kasi marami na po silang supporters that has joined the consolidation. And I do believe na mas marami pa po silang kasamahan na sasama po.
Okay. Sir Andy, ito, apparently parang yung Senado, talagang mas pumapanig po sila dito sa Manibela, sa Piston, na talaga, in fact, even Senator Grace po even mentioned na parang we keep giving them deadlines,
Yes.
these drivers and operators. Yet, it seems government cannot even get their act together. Up to now, yung route rationalization plan na sinasabi po ninyo, dapat po manggaling sa LGU. In fact, Senator Grace po has already asked LTFRB to come out. Ipakita nyo, ano ba ito ng route rationalization plan po ninyo? In terms of conforming po dito sa mga request po ng Senado, how far have you gone to submit the request, itong mga hinihingi po nila?
Yeah, let's touch muna dun sa route rationalization or it's called LPTRP po, no? Basically, ang punto kasi is that this program has started with LPTRP ongoing. It is not yet finished, but it can still go on while fixing or rather complying with requirements ng ibang LGUs ng LPTRP. Kasi I think ang mindset po, with due respect to our friends in Congress po or Senado, is that tapusin dapat yung LPTRP or route rationalization before we go to consultation. It has been proven and we are doing it that it can go together po. Pwede po. Kasi sa punto po ng government, it's best that we already know sino ang interesado, sino yung nag-consolidate, para once we further move the route rationalization, may idea na po tayo kung sino talagang interesadong sumama. So ang punto po kasi dito is this, para bagang the program has started, has moved, and yung mga concerns po na raised, the concerns na kayang pag-usapan, kayang ma-improve, we can do it as we go on. Like last year po, yung Piston, we met with them like half a dozen of times.
Okay.
Siguro, 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 6 of their concerns were addressed. So klaro po that we move base sa pwedeng mapag-usapan. But yung pinaka-point po nila na ayaw nilang mag-consolidate and ayaw nilang isurrender yung kanilang CPC
Prangkisa. Oo.
or rather prangkisa sa government at magiging owned by the cooperative or corporation, yun na po yung point of disagreement. So on the part of the government, we cannot move on that. On their part, they cannot move on that. Kaya nga po, di ba, nasa korte, nasa Supreme Court. So yung extension po is really for the individual operators na gustong sumama or gusto pang mag-isip. Sa kanila po talaga to.
Let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.